I bet you didn't know that some of the most beloved Jamaican stories were first whispered by a spider. Anansi's tales aren't just for kids, they shaped a whole nation's identity. Let's unravel the legend. Anansi comes straight from West African folklore, brought to Jamaica by enslaved Africans centuries ago. He's not your average spider. Anansi is clever, cunning, and always outsmarts bigger, stronger foes. For generations, his stories spread through Jamaica, passed down by storytellers, around fires and in crowded kitchens. But Anansi isn't just about trickery. His tales were survival tools. During slavery, these stories gave people hope, taught them to use wit over brute force, and reminded them that even the small can win. Anansi became a symbol of resistance and resilience. And get this, his stories didn't fade away after slavery ended. They grew, weaving into children's books, classrooms, festivals, and even national celebrations. Today, Anansi is practically a Jamaican icon. He reminds us that laughter and cleverness can overcome any hardship. His stories connect Jamaicans to their African roots, while shaping how the country sees courage, creativity, and community. So next time you hear an Anansi story, remember, it's more than just a tale about a tricky spider. It's a piece of Jamaican history, spun with wisdom, humor, and heart. Thanks for listening. If you love stories that shape nations, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.